What's up, guys? Steve here again with Abandoned Car Revivals. I'm about to drive the 1968 abandoned Skylark out of the shop and across the yard for the first time. We got no brakes and we got vice grips for a steering wheel, but I think we're going to do just fine. Okay. Yep. Alright, Steve here again. We're still rolling with Abandoned Car Revivals. We got the 68 Skylark Convertible. My dad's here. We're going to take it for a quick burn. We got brakes now. We got a seat. Purrs like a kitten. It's running pretty good, so it should be a good test drive.
Let's go! No doors?
Needed. I haven't cleaned the window yet. I didn't get that far. So there are seat belts under that if you want to bother.
Just be careful.
We got brakes now. It doesn't peel out as easily as the yellow Buick, and I think it's due to gear ratios in the rear end.
Oh yeah?
I found out the gear ratio on the other one is a 2.7, or not, maybe, no, it's even taller than a 2.73, a 2.56 I think is what it was. I haven't figured out this one yet. Here we go.
Didn't clean the window.
First time on the road since the mid-90s.
Oh, she's burnt.
Alignment's not quite perfect yet. I changed out that bent tie rod end and put the other connector in there so we're not going to die.
Good.
And the drive shaft.
Yeah.
Radiator's full. Brakes work.
Oh, good.
Speedo works.
No way.
Fuel gauge works.
Window's dirty.
Yeah, window is dirty. No hood yet, but you don't need that.
They're cool.
Yeah. Oh, bad bump.
Pothole.
It was missing one of the castle nut on the lower ball joint on this side,
Oh no.
but I found one. Put it on there. What is that?
Tire?
Yeah. The alignment's that bad. They're towed out, Kate.
Really?
Yeah. lap anyways. So.
It's pretty bad.
Got rid of the carpet. See, that's the worst of the rust.
Oh yeah.
There's a few little pinholes down there. I think we can just rust treat that.
Yeah.
Cover it up with some good thick paint. Oh yeah, she needs an alignment pretty bad.
Whoa. Whoa. Turns left, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is going to be scary going down the hill.
Oh, I'm going to take the side road.
Oh, good. Have it ready for racing to be a ball tire.
Yeah. Hopefully it makes it.
Yeah, you don't get a flat. Wow. Gotta keep going left.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sounds like we're really racing. Just look at that oil pressure. We're at 2 kg, which is like 28 psi.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how good this gauge is. It sort of moves when you tap it. But our oil light's off, temp gauge is off, alternator's charging. That's not hooked up.
Well, usually if the oil light's off, it's adequate.
Yeah. Let's try gearing down.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. Geared down.
Almost sounds like the heater motor's going.
Oh, it could be. It's off.
There you go. Ah, taking the back roads. Oh. Be gentle now. Well, it feels like a boat.
Yeah. Actually gotta fix that alignment.
Big time. Oh, wait a second. Did you weld the tie rod edge?
No, I told you I'd change that part out.
Oh, okay.
But the tires are still towed out. I didn't really finish adjusting.
Yeah.
I sort of stopped working when you said you weren't coming.
Right, I know. This sinus head thing going on.
Something's dragging on the ground. Or something fell. I don't know. When I changed gears, I heard something.
Uh-oh.
The road. I don't know what that was.
Where'd you scoop the seat?
This is the passenger seat down to the other car.
Right.
See, I got the thing on this side. But this is a bench seat car, right?
Yep.
So I got to drill a hole right here. This little bump is where the shifter goes through.
Yep.
Oh crap! It's just you hit the gravel and it makes a weird noise.
Sure did.
You can sure hear it through these holes. I have all the covers. I just took them off because they were loose.
Weird.
Oh, I hope that tire lasts.
Well, you got a nice left turn here.
Yeah.
Should be good. Self-aligning. Good grief.
Might have to rotate the tire when we get down there.
What?
I don't know.
There's no tools there.
Easing into this. Don't want to die.
Ah, big left turn.
It's boiling out of the rad a little bit.
No this one's going to be a noisy one. Massive right turn.
Yeah. Oh, the temp gauge just lit up.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, but we got no fan. Oh, look at it puke.
Ah! This is not good.
This is going downhill. Oh, I should have put the fan on.
Yep.
Dang. You're going to have to hose her down at Grampy's. Oh, look at it go.
Oh, no.
No.
Well, there's really no wind.
I don't want to blow a rat hose.
It stopped blowing. Hopefully you don't have to sit at that corner here forever.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness. We're going to die. Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait for the Tesla.
One Tesla, another car.
Oh, look at it puke.
Oh yeah, oh, she's puking.
Oh, no.
Wow, it's hot out.
Yeah.
Might have to let her cool down a bit.
Yeah. Hit her with the garden hose.
Yeah. There's nothing parked, you can drive right in.
It's idling higher now, too.
Oh no! Yeah, I find it strange you wouldn't put the fan on.
I think I was gonna, but it's run out of time.
Yeah.
More important things.
Ran out of time.
Maybe we should clean the window while we wait.
Yeah. Garden hose.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. This slanted here, you're good. Oh, kill it. There you go.
Oh, look at it go. Yeah, she's a little hot. Dang. Start spraying that radiator.
Hot coming out of the hole.
Oh.
Still hot.
Oh. We're just getting steam now, no more liquid. Oh, all my hoses stayed on, that's a plus. Did something right.
Yeah. Oh, it's getting ice cold now.
Hey, don't touch me with that. All right. What did you think of your first ride, Pops?
It was very smooth.
Not bad. Let's check that tire out because I was squealing like crazy.
It was.
Oh, look how bad the alignment is.
Oh, jeez.
It's fine, but where's that one pointed?
Turned that way
Oh,
too,
okay.
so.
This tire was already bald on the inside.
Coming right through the radiator. Oh, yeah.
There, now this tire's more or less straight.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, that's really bad. All right, well, we're gonna cool this off and we'll see if we can make it back up the hill. All right, we got her all cooled off. We took out the thermostat. We even took this hose off and filled it and flushed the engine from up here, and it did fill the rad, so it's getting through. The thermostat was actually open when we took it out. It's still open now. So I think the water pump impeller's toast.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we make it back up the hill. We're going for it. Did you ever find your jet ski key?
It's at the already in. It's in the motor hole. If it's not there, then we're not going. Then I don't know.
Oh look, the generator light went off on on its own.
Oh.
Okay. Cool.
Tires should be cooled down. Shouldn't squeal quite so hard. Window's still dirty.
Don't feel the speed bumps at all.
That's soft luxury suspension.
I don't know about what traffic's going to be like, if we're going to have to go back.
Yeah.
Nobody coming.
It's a crapshoot.
Yeah. So we can clean the window at the gas station. Better sit for a second.
Boy, you buying some gas?
I got lots of gas, but I don't know. Since we're here.
What are you doing?
Washing the window.
Oh.
First drive since the mid-90s in this thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was going to say, yeah.
Sat in the field in
Missing a few things.
northern Alberta. Yeah.
It's got the essentials.
Restoring it, or?
Yeah, slowly. We get there.
Yeah. Good to have a
I
project.
think my water pumping color's not there.
It's not there.
So. All right.
It's dissolved.
Yeah, that's gotta be what's going on. Should have taken some water with us.
Yeah. Out of the bottles. Oh. It's a left-hand turn.
Oh, it's spraying on it. It's got water on the motor.
Yep.
You can see better.
Is it fighting you?
Oh, a little bit.
A little bit. Oh, sharp left. Well, it's set up for track racing.
Oh, yeah. Is it no?
Is it? Oh.
So far, no template.
Grab some dirt.
Yeah. That's a weird noise with having no roof.
Yeah.
Hey, we're still not overheating. I think it was starting to spin a bit when we were trying to do the burnout. Okay, we'll do a brake test here. Ready? Film the tire. Film the tire. You didn't film the tire.
Oh, there was just a little plume of smoke and a skid mark.
Well, we did it. Success.
Don't do it, no, not.
Something's a little creaky up there.
No doubt. I think taking thermostat out would help a lot.
Oh yeah, she's boiling over a little now. There she blows. Yep. Oh, Old Faithful. Yep. Stay back. Well, first test drive was a little hot, but all in all, great success. We'll see you guys on the next one.